Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
When you trade in the Indian stock market, a Demat account is where your shares are held digitally. Every time you buy or sell, your broker charges a fee, known as brokerage. These charges might seem small individually, but they can significantly impact your overall returns over time. Knowing exactly what you're paying helps you make smarter investment decisions. In India, you'll generally find two main brokerage models. Some brokers use a flat fee structure, meaning you pay a fixed amount per trade, say 20 rupees, no matter how large your transaction is. Others operate on a percentage basis, where the fee is a small percentage of your trade value. Many popular brokers also offer zero brokerage on equity delivery trades, which is a great benefit for long-term investors. Beyond just brokerage, several other charges contribute to your total cost. You might encounter an annual maintenance charge for your Demat account, even if you don't trade frequently. There are also various government-mandated taxes and exchange transaction charges. A smart investor always looks at the complete fee structure, not just the headline brokerage rate, to avoid any surprises. When looking for low brokerage, discount brokers are often the go-to choice. Companies like Zerodha, Upstocks, and Growa have revolutionized the market with their cost-effective models. They typically offer zero brokerage for equity delivery, which is excellent if you hold shares for the long term. For intraday or derivatives trading, they usually charge a small, flat fee per trade, helping you keep your costs down. Choosing the best Demat broker really comes down to your personal trading habits. If you're an active trader, a low flat fee per trade might be crucial. For long-term investors, zero delivery brokerage is a huge plus. Remember to weigh the brokerage charges against the platform's reliability and customer service quality. It's all about finding the right balance that suits your investment journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.